poor people oriented, leaders who take Kenyan people at their interest. We need leaders, Honorable Speaker, who would want to put the country to the next level. Honorable Speaker, it is not about passion. It is about facts. For the time that I have been a leader, Honorable Speaker, I have interacted with people who literally want to steal from the public. It is not about my passion on what I'm talking about. I am talking about what I have palpated with my own hands, Honorable Speaker. The structure of government is to the extent that it can take care of its poor people, Honorable Speaker. And that is why these specific funds are established. And most people who stay in high-ranking government offices are well paid. But the more people are paid, Honorable Speaker, the more they want to steal and build houses. Honorable Speaker, we need as a country to rid this country of thieves who target special funds. We must do that as a nation. The executive must address that, Honorable Speaker. And I want to say, leadership should stop rewarding their relatives with special funds, Honorable Speaker. We need to target the poor. We need to help the poor, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, from the point where I stand, as Dr. Lilian Achieng-Gogo, I will stand with the poor, beginning with Rangwe constituency. I thank you for the time, Honorable Speaker. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Lilian Gogo. Would we have Honorable Titus Lote, MP for Kachaliba?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. As I stand